This video will cover moderate questions part 1 regarding the topic of verifying trigonometric identities. Before running verifying trigonometric identities, let's run trigonometric identities as a preparation step. To simplify the trigonometric expression, we basically need to remember the 8 trigonometric identities here. Question 1. Left side is cosine x plus cotangent x over secant x plus tangent x. If you don't know how to verify an identity first, change all expressions to sines or cosines. Then cosine x plus cotangent x is cosine x over sine x over secant x is 1 over cosine x plus tangent x is sine x over cosine x. This is a complex fraction. We have to simplify times the common multiple of sine x and cosine x over sine x cosine x equals, expand the first one, cosine x times sine x cosine x is sine x times cosine squared x plus the second one, sine x is cancelled, then cosine x times cosine x cosine squared x over the first one, cosine x is cancelled, then sine x plus the last one, cosine x is cancelled, sine x times sine x is sine squared x. Then factor the numerator, take out the common factor which is cosine squared x, then cosine squared x times sine x plus 1 over, factor the denominator, take out sine x, then 1 plus sine x. Then sine x plus 1 is cancelled, equals cosine squared x over sine x. Then we can rewrite as cosine squared x is cosine x times cosine x over sine x, which is cosine x times cotangent x equals right side. Question 2. Left side is secant x over 1 minus sine x. Since 1 plus sine x is in the numerator on the right hand side, this is the hint. So times 1 plus sine x over 1 plus sine x equals 1 plus sine x is on the right side, so don't expand, keep the factored form. Secant x times 1 plus sine x over, we have to expand the denominator, use a minus b times a plus b equals a squared minus b squared, then this one 1 minus sine x times 1 plus sine x equals a part squared, which is 1 minus b part squared, then sine squared x. So the denominator is 1 minus sine squared x. Then secant x is 1 over cosine x, keep this one, 1 plus sine x. Then use the Pythagorean identities, sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1, then cosine squared x equals 1 minus sine squared x, then the denominator is cosine squared x, then times cosine x over cosine x, expand cancelled. 1 plus sine x over the denominator is cosine cubed x, which is right side. This is the last one. The left side is sine x over secant x minus 1 plus sine x over secant x plus 1. The right side has one term, so we have to make a single fraction. We need secant x plus 1 over secant x plus 1 here, then times secant x minus 1 over secant x minus 1 equals sine x times secant x plus 1 over secant x minus 1 times secant x plus 1 plus sine x times secant x minus 1 over secant x plus 1 times secant x minus 1 equals, expand the numerator, sine x times secant x plus sine x plus sine x times secant x minus sine x over the denominator is a minus b times a plus b form, which is a squared minus b squared. Then a part minus b part, a part plus b part, a part squared minus b part squared. Plus sine x and minus sine x is cancelled. And sine x secant x plus sine x secant x is 2 sine x secant x. Sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1. Then divide by cosine squared x on each side. Then first one is tangent squared x plus 1 equals secant squared x. Then secant squared x, move 1 to the right, minus 1 equals tangent squared x. The denominator, secant squared x minus 1 equals tangent squared x. Equals 2 sine x times secant x is 1 over cosine x over tangent squared x is sine squared x over cosine squared x, then times cosine squared x on each side. Expand, cosine x is cancelled, 2 sine x times cosine x over cosine squared x is cancelled, sine squared x we can rewrite as sine x times sine x. Then sine x is cancelled. The final answer is 2 times cosine x over sine x, which is cotangent x, equals right side. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.